Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering essentials. You need the order ID and the card's last 4 digits so verification is fast. Once signed in, navigate to your orders and locate the specific purchase. Do it now. Make sure to check the cancellation window and any non-refundable tags because that determines refund eligibility. If the order is still cancelable, tap Cancel or Request Cancellation, explain briefly why, and then proceed to the confirmation screen to initiate the process. Once you've started the request, choose the most accurate cancellation reason and add a short note. This speeds review. If the interface allows attachments, include evidence like incorrect item or duplicate charges because that helps approvals. Review the refund estimate and processing window. Sometimes refunds take 3-7 business days or show a pending hold. Make sure to confirm the request. You should receive an email or in-app notification stating the next steps and an estimated after submission. Confirm the cancellation by checking your email or in-app messages for the reference number. Save it. You then monitor your card or bank statement. Refunds typically appear within the stated processing period, so be patient. If the refund doesn't show, contact Giva support with the order ID and that reference. Ask for a status update and expected date. Troubleshooting tip: if support is slow, escalate by including screenshots, timestamps, and your payment provider's pending charge details to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.